This video is brought to you by Saraswati Vidyalaya Union and this is Prapti. Today we are going to study about the artificial ventilation and ventilators. Now let's see.
Now the next topic is there, that is known as the artificial ventilation. So this artificial ventilation, it is also known as the artificial respiration. Means what? So here it is a method of inducing breathing in a person when natural respiration has ceased or fluttering. Means whenever the person is unable to take air inside the body and throw air outside the body naturally. Whenever the natural process is not taking place, so that time this artificial ventilation is useful. So this artificial ventilation is useful because it prevents the death by the drowning, choking, suffocation, electric shock, etc. But it should be provided in quick condition. Okay, so in the proper manner and in the quick manner, if it is provided to that person, so then it prevents the death of that person. Okay, then here there are the two main steps for the using of this artificial ventilation, in that establishing and maintaining an open air passage from upper respiratory tract. With this upper respiratory tract, there should be the open space, so through that the air can enter inside it. So that establishing and maintaining an open air spaces from the upper respiratory tract to the lungs. Then force inspiration as well as the expiration as mouth to mouth. See that if suppose any person don't know swimming and that person is swimming, and if that person is there in water, okay, and whenever it comes out of the water, so that person is not feeling pain, so that time from the mouth we are giving that oxygen to that person, isn't it? So means there is a forced inspiration and expiration as in mouth to mouth respiration or by the mechanical means. Okay, if that person cannot breathe properly, so we can give that person mouth to mouth respiration, or we can use that one of the machine, that artificial mechanical things, that is known as the ventilators. Now what is this ventilators? Now let's see about this. Here these ventilators are there. Maybe you all have seen already these ventilators, in that the mask like structure is present on the mouth whenever that person is admitted and that person cannot breathe properly. So that time the doctors are putting the mask on the mouth, and over there they are keeping one of the machine of oxygen. That oxygen cylinder is there, and through that oxygen cylinder the doctors are giving oxygen to that patient. That is what we are calling it as that patient is on ventilator. So what is this ventilator? Ventilator means what? It is a machine. It is a machine which supports breathing. If that person is unable to do natural breathing, so this machine provides support breathing. It gives extra support for the breathing purpose. And now this machine is used. When this machine is used in hospitals. At home also you can bring, but mainly it is used in the hospitals. Now why they are using in the hospital? So it is nothing but that it is as a part of life support system. Means by giving that extra things. So see that it is useful in the hospital. At home also we can use it, but if that person is not able to breathe properly, means naturally, so that time it is useful. Means it is one of the life support system. Okay, in the hospitals also it is used during what? It is used during surgery, okay, as well as see that any type of surgery, okay, whenever any female is giving birth to the child, during the parturition also they are using these ventilators, okay, during surgery or treatment, for treatment for serious lung diseases. If that person having problem related to the lungs, so in that it is useful, as well as it is also used for the condition when normal breathing fails. When normal breathing fails, so that time this machine is useful. What I told you. So during the surgery, treatment for serious lung diseases, as well as condition when normal breathing fails, so that time this ventilators are useful. Okay, means all of you knows that whenever there is the stage at which that person is totally unable to breathe, so that time that doctors are putting that patient on the ventilator. For example, if there is a problem related to the breathing, means what, nowadays the season is of corona, okay, in that corona season, that one of the symptom of corona is what, that person is unable to breathe properly, okay, and suppose that person is at the last stage, generally at the last stage they are using the ventilators, okay, so this is the use, as well as here what are the functions of these ventilators, what is the exact that ventilator is doing. So that ventilator takes or it provides oxygen to that patient, as well as it removes carbon dioxide from that respiratory tract of that patient, as well as the function of this ventilator, it is very important to help that patient during breathe. So this is the functions, all these are the functions of these ventilators. Okay, see that we have an artificial ventilation, and the next one is there, that is known as the ventilator.